Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The theory questions are here in front of you. Assertion is given on the admission of a new partner, the amount received from debtor which was written off earlier is credited to the revaluation account. For this particular point, you know very well when bad debts are recovered in the plus one, you used to write cash account debit to bad debts recovered account. Here it is the admission of a new partner, or if it is a retirement or death, in that very case we prepare revaluation account. So whatever profits are generated are transferred to which account? That is revaluation account. So this statement is correct. Now, it is a loss on the reconstitution of the partnership. No, it is not a loss because it's a profit. The debtor which whose amount was written off is now paying us. If he is paying us, we are getting a gain, we are getting a profit. Now, dash is the goodwill, which is the excess of desired total capital of the firm over the actual combined capital of all the partners. What is actual combined capital? That is old partners capital plus new partners capital balance. If your this value is less than which value? That is desired total capital. How to calculate desired total capital? That is capital brought in by the new partner into the reciprocal of his share. If he is entering for 1/4 share, then it would be 4 by 1. So this is the desired capital minus the total of combined capital of all the partners put together. If this difference is positive, then it becomes which thing over here is, that is hidden goodwill of the firm. Now, match the following. Goodwill brought in by the new partner would be given to the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. Employees provident fund is never distributed. Why it is not distributed? Because provident fund belongs to the employees. It is not the profit that is generated by the business for themselves, rather it belongs to the money of the employees, so it cannot be distributed among the partners themselves, so not to be distributed. P&L appropriation accounts profit is distributed in the new ratio because appropriations are done after the business have generated the profits with the new partners. P&L which is existing in the balance sheet as carrying the credit balance would always be distributed among all partners in their all profit sharing ratio. Now the next question. Gain or loss on the revaluation at the time of change in profit sharing ratio is shared by dash, whereas in case of the admission of a partner it is shared by dash. Change in profit sharing ratio means only profit sharing ratios have changed but the partners have remained same. So in that very case this gain or loss is distributed among all partners, but where in case if it is admission, then it would be shared among the old partners only, not with the new partner. Thank you. Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.